1 foot long Italian ham and cheese, please. Thank you. I would like pork ribs. That sounds very delicious. Thank you very much.
Cheddar cheese?
Yes, please. Very nice.
Extra bacon or
No, thank you. Oh, that one. Very nice, thank you.
fresh or toasted?
I like fresh. Yes, indeed.
Salad?
I would like salad, yes. I'll take everything apart, okay? Apart from the jalapenos and the olives. Please hold on now. Very nice. Your sandwich making was very great. Very great. Very pleased with your work. Quite a range of sauces they have here.
Salt and pepper?
Yes, please.
Barbecue sauce?
No, thank you. I would like ranch and sweet onion. 2 sauces for me. Yes, fantastic. Let's get my big wallet out. My identity is hidden.
Would you like any beverages?
No, thank you.
$7, I think.
One of those.